guys, we're back. Sorry for stopping the video. Alright, let's go. Oh, we're in the circle already. Alright, come on, Sky. We're back in. You will win.
You, Tyler.
You, no.
You know what's wrong.
Alright, so let's go. Yeah.
You're what?
I'm gonna go searching for people.
What time is it? I'm gonna take my shower at 9 o'clock. I don't know. I like taking showers at night.
Alright, yes. Sorry for not talking. Come on, Kyle.
I'm right here, Andre.
2 people, 3 assists. How did I get assists when I got kills? You probably spawned someone by shaking them down.
Yeah, I did.
Oh yeah, you did. Yeah! I already just leveled up. Am I gonna level up again? That was so easy. Alright. Come on,
I have
Kyle.
a purple charge.
I have a kit's charge. And it's a grenade launcher thing. I hope I don't die with it. Oh, I found someone! Mid! Over here! They're coming right to me, too. I knocked them. And we did another challenge, bro. This game is too easy. Ow! Yo, Takai, I'm getting hit! Takaya!
Andre, I can't.
I'll help you. Dude, do you have an assault? Come on! There we go.
You killed him?
Uh-huh.
Oh, yay! Okay.
Revive me. No, revive me!
Why am I carrying you?
Throw me to the ground! Hurry up before you get sniped.
I'm not going to eat.
Revive me.
I'm going to be nice.
Better be lucky I killed. Better be lucky I did damage to him.
Yeah.
I just one-tapped him.
You know what else you did?
What?
A lot of things.
Yeah, I know. Whoa, I almost got sniped. I'm building. Gotta take cover. I just need to heal. I'm fine. Get ready. It's about to be dangerous.
It's about to get dirty. I lied. Oh, hell no.
Yo, the gunshots are coming from over here. Dude, they're over here. Are they in the storm?
Shit.
Dude! The people literally in the storm!
Leave them there.
And I see their weapon. What's that? Wait, no. I want a fishing rod. That sounds like legendary. Alright, I'm coming up. Let's go. Oh, you getting sniped?
Oh shit, now I am.
What shot you?
I don't even know. Fuck that bitch.
Oh.
That's a bitch. Haha.
I killed him.
No, Andre.
Hey, I got you.
Ooh, rocket launcher?
That's not a rocket launcher. And move down, you just sniping.
No, I don't want that shit. I want this.
Takaya, move!
Hold on, Andre.
No time to stand still.
Ooh, gold charge. Yeah.
Take it.
I did.
Hurry up, because I found someone.
I gotta go charge.
Alright, kill him.
Go charge. I gotta go.
What's this?
Go to the store. I'm at.
Yeah, I found your scar. I found your scar. Now I'll bring it to you. I don't want to lose my med kit. Oh my! You know what? You don't need it. I'm not gonna take it. Get out of here. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna have to lose my med kits.
Come on, let's go.
Here, Takaya.
There's a person over here. I'm trying to run away from the storm. Actually, there's 2 people on there.
Bruh. Where you at? Oh, found one.
You think you can play a map?
I hit one. Watch out for the storm. I'm being shot.
Can't see.
I hit one. And knocked one. Let's go, Jakaya! Okay!
I killed him?
Yeah, you killed him!
Oh.
Alright! He just got that dog. Let's go!
Hey, wait. I want to.
We just won! Jakaya got the last kill! Let's go! And move the renegade on the let's go! Alright. I'm gonna stop the video here, y'all. Bye.